called amorphophallus titanium. God, I love to say that. Amorphophallus titanium. The sound of it gives me a redwood in my khakis. If I come back as a superhero, I want to be called that. It's amorphophallus titanium, the rare botanical wonder. See his 8-foot protrusion.
Boo!
Asshole.
Yo, Carl, see you around.
Fuck they doing over here anyway? Punk-ass police.
Those nosy motherfuckers won't leave me alone. Think I'm Mr. Big or something. But I don't tell them shit. For me, it's all about my homeboy Carl.
Yeah, whatever you say.
The gang is real important, CJ, you know that. You down to represent, baby?
Yeah.
Look, my cousin is coming in town from Mexico. I got to go scoop her up.
All right, then. Come on.
We share last names, but I'm Peyton, that's my wife Mary, and this is I Say...
What you want me to roll with you for anyway?
Right.
No reason. I just wanted to get in the car, blue lane.
West always wins.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man, just cool out, homie. Just chill.
I don't know if you saw
Your cousin coming here from Mexico.
Yeah, me and her go way back. Way back.
Ah, Smoke, you full of shit.
Don't be prejudiced again in my presence, Carl. Everybody is my cousin.
Kill or be killed, crush the weak, and starve the poor, is my wonderful wife. You decide, or let us decide for you. Give us a call, and let my wife...
Okay, my cousin Mary's in there. Sweet, sticky, bud fresh off the plantation. Here, pull up here, let me do the talking.
Man, I should've known.
Hey, excuse me, Jose. Yo soy el grando smokio, and I want that grass, comprende?
Hey, fuck you, cabron.
What?
Now that ain't nice. Coffee-o up El Guido before I blow your brains out all over the patio.
Chinga tu madre, pendejo.
Man, let me get the heat
Fuck
on
this, man.
Fuck this. Get him, Smoke.
Yeah, go get that shit now. Get what you talking about. Yeah, motherfucker, Big Smoke. Remember that name. We gotta stick with him. CJ, this one's all yours, baby.
When?
Gotcha. Yes, good point. But remember, our founding fathers grew tobacco. Lashed them between stressful stints of genocide, witch burning. And you're so against raising taxes, smokers pay more taxes than anyone. My grandfather smoked his whole life. He lived until he was 32. So what I'm saying is, why can't we encourage more smoking and use the money to pay for better health care and some cultural programs, bringing expressive dance and sun worship back to the inner cities?
Worrying about the inner city has ruined your academic career, and this woolly thinking is gonna ruin your chances of getting anywhere.
You ain't gonna cry now, are you?
I'm going after him.
That's disrespectful.
Yo, Carl, it's Smoke.
Hey, Smoke.
Hey, Carl, I don't mean no disrespect, man, so don't take it like that. I gotta give you some advice.
What?
The gym, my friend, you're letting yourself go.
That's a bit much coming from you, huh?
Hey, look, Carl, I'm big bone, but I'm still an athlete. You're letting yourself go, my friend, and to be honest with you, it's breaking my heart.
Give me a break. I ain't as fat as you.
I'm trying, and I'm trying to help you help yourself, my brother. The gym, Carl, you hear me?
Screw you, man.
Baseball and killing communists. And I had a great childhood, really great, even if my uncle did come into my room that late at night.
What you want me to roll with you for anyway?
No reason. I just wanted to get in the carpool lane.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man, just cool out, homie.
Hey,
Chill.
your whole life
Your cousin
revolving
coming
around
here
rich
from
men
Mexico.
playing poorly.
Yeah, me and her go way back. Way back.
Ah, Smoke, you full of shit.
Don't be prejudiced again in my presence, Carl. Everybody is my cousin.
This year, I'm telling you, they're going to need to score some points and get some yardage and win the game.
Yeah, if they don't win, men will be beating their wives with good...
See, number one, you gotta go for first place.
I know. Hey, I mean, you know, it's great stating the obvious, but once you get paid for it, things get really complicated.
Man, I was at their training camp this spring, and the mood in the locker room, dude, guys were getting changed, man. I mean, they were really getting prepared. Shoes were going on, feet, shirts were going on, the shirt part of their body, serious faces on them.
Hola.
I was wondering.
Lady, what's
we've been
up, girl?
catch.
It was the puto madre ese.
Nice meeting you.
I had to watch you, mija. Fries go with that shake. Excuse me, love.
How do you do?
This town is blind.
It's changed my life.
My friend said, Chuck, You obviously love hitting things. So I've...
I ain't got